Hey guys, today I'll be showing my Roomba and we're gonna go through how it works. Uh-oh. I'll be right back. Alright, this Roomba got stuck under there. But today we're gonna explain how it works. To power it off, you hold it for exactly 3 seconds. And to turn it back on, you press it 1 time. And make it clean everywhere, you press the middle button. And it'll start cleaning. But if you have a spot that needs cleaning bad, take the robot over to that spot and press this right button right here. It'll go in circles and then it will clean that spot. And then finally the home button. To send the robot home to itself and sorry, my annoying parents are being annoying. As you can see, self-empty bins over the and to send it home, you press this button. And it will go home. And that indicates that it found its space. Now, if it has an error with emptying itself, you press this, hold it, and then get the bait, then get it out. And if you need to replace the filter is right there where you see no water at. And you pull it out and put it back in. You just do it like that. And to put it back in, you do it like that. And if something is caught in the brush, you open the brush part like this and take the brushes out to see what's caught in it. Like there's some hair and some more hair the other side. And snap them back. Meant to go on the other side. Sorry. To snap them back in, put it like that. Sorry guys. There we go. That's how you snap it back in. And at the other one, you do the same exact thing. And this one has some more hair. Sorry about that. Oh, there's a little more. There we go. Now you do the same thing to snap it back in. Put it on that side, and there you go. Now, if something caught in the brush, you need to replace it. There's a screwdriver right here. There's a screwdriver right there. If it stops spinning or something, order a new brush and then unscrew and put the new brush and screw it in. And if something is caught in this, simply take the robot's bottom part off and then see what's causing this to stop moving. And then simply put it back on very gentle. And if it has something caught in its automatic disposal bin, open it up and see what's caught in it. If you'll excuse me, I'll be right back. I'm sorry. Sorry, Dad. Sorry. My dog just wanted some attention. Now you're going to see this thing go home. And if it has trouble going home, take it over to the dock. Hold on. Oh. Sorry about that. Flip it over. press the home button. And it'll go to its base. Now you're going to hear the suction power on this thing. It is really loud and good. This thing sometimes sucks at going home. Sometimes this sucks at... Oh, there it goes. Now, see, it has to... You're going to see it. It's really loud and good. That signal indicates that it's done. Now to empty it, you don't have to empty it every day. You have to empty it once a month. And if you want to put a bag in, it goes with, and the dirt goes into this bag. Now to place the bag in, you put it in this little compartment right here. Hold on. Sorry guys, this is sometime. There we go. You don't need a self-empty bin. But it's way easier with the self-empty bin. It comes with a normal Roomba charger. It comes with it. Yeah, so, and that's how you use your Roomba i3 Plus. See you in the next one. Bye.